Welcome. If you've been missing out on important updates because your Discord server's event notifications are muted, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to unmute new events notifications on Discord with the latest steps for 2025. Let's make sure you never miss a moment again. First, open the Discord app on your device and log in if you haven't already. Once you're in, head over to the server where you want to receive notifications for new events. You can find your servers listed on the left side of the screen. Next, look to the top of the server screen. Depending on your device, you'll either see 3 dots or the server name at the top. Tap on that to open the server menu. This is where all your server-specific settings live. From the menu, select Notification Settings. This section lets you control exactly what notifications you get from this particular server, so you can tailor your experience to what matters most to you. Now scroll through the notification settings until you find the option labeled Mobile Push Notification. This is the key setting that controls whether you get real-time alerts for new events and messages on your phone. If the toggle is off, you won't get notifications. Simply tap to turn it on. That's it. You've successfully unmuted new events notifications for your Discord server. Now, whenever there's a new event or important update, you'll get a push notification straight to your device, so you're always in the loop. If you still aren't receiving notifications, double-check that you haven't muted the entire server or specific channels, and make sure your device's notification settings allow Discord to send alerts. Also, ensure that Do Not Disturb mode is turned off, both in Discord and on your device, so nothing blocks those important updates. Thanks for watching. Now you're all set to stay updated with every new event on your favorite Discord servers. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with your friends. See you next time.